Red Bull Technology manufactures Formula One motorsport cars for Red Bull Racing. In 2008, the company decided to replace their existing flatbed knife cutter with two Zund knife cutters, one with a conveyor belt. They decided to evaluate cam systems, investigating an upgrade to their existing system as well as looking at alternatives. Said Andy Bosworth, production coordinator, "We ran a series of benchmark comparisons, and JetCam had the lowest scrap rate and highest efficiency on material, with nests at least 16% more efficient than our current nests. It was also recommended by the machine tool vendor, which was a major factor in our decision to select it." After the implementation of the machines in a new clean room, staff were trained in November 2008. Licenses of JetCam Expert with high performance nesting, JetCam Orders Controller for order management and reporting, and JetTerm DNC were supplied. Training was completed in one day. Steve Brown, composite kit cutter, commented, "JetCam is more user-friendly than our previous system, and also easier than another system I'd used in the past elsewhere." Once the system went live, Red Bull Technology saw a number of benefits, the most noticeable of which was the nesting efficiency. Supplies of composite materials can be limited and lead times can be lengthy, and so Red Bull Technology has to maximise their material efficiency. Steve noted, "Recently we had to make some parts but could not get additional material, so had to make do with the material in stock. On our previous nests we were running at 300mm short of requirement, but when I ran the plies through JetCam's high performance nester, it saved us 305mm, enough to complete the order." Andy added, "If you can't make enough of a part, it can leave the team in jeopardy if they don't have enough spares. We outsourced the cutting of another order as we had no time to cut it in-house. The supplier was telling me that they needed 327 linear meters to complete the job. However, when we ran it through JetCam, we did it in 287 meters, which, at over £100 per square metre, equates to a £4,000 saving, and this was on a nest we ran 2 or 3 times." In addition to material savings, Red Bull Technology also saw an increase in throughput on the machine due to features such as common line cutting, which allow plies to be separated using a single cut rather than leaving a skeleton. Steve noted, "Our previous system would not always rotate parts at all available angles, and also couldn't perform common cuts. Previously, one particular nest of a wishbone would take 3 hours to cut, but with JetCam I can do it in 1 hour and 3/4. The process of loading JetCam Expert with orders remotely is achieved using JetCam Orders Controller, or JOC. Steve cites that this has significantly improved time from order to nest. Previously it was sometimes quicker to cut a ply by hand than re-nest it. Now we just load the complete part or individual ply orders into JOC and all required plies are immediately ready to nest. I can queue up all the jobs and combine orders and then nest them together. We can also save end-of-roll material and create smaller nests to better utilise it. JetCam has extensive reporting capabilities, providing instant nesting efficiency and runtime statistics, which Red Bull Technology load onto their works orders. This provides the accounts department with immediate visibility of where material costs are within parts of the shop floor. Purchasing also saw significant benefits. Andy explained, "Many materials are specific to the Formula One industry, with some even unique to Red Bull Technology. JetCam gives me the scope to forward order and plan better." Since installation, the system has proved 100% reliable, with Red Bull Technology experiencing no downtime because of either machine or software related problems. Their maintenance costs are also lower than before. The motor industry is different to general manufacturing and has different indicators of success. Where most companies use the barometers of turnover and profit, Red Bull Technology has only one, the podium. Andy concluded, "We can't work too far ahead as designs frequently change, which would mean scrapping expensive parts. Where we save the most is time. We don't have the luxury of lead times like other industries. With JetCam we're now able to produce parts much quicker than before.